Hello everyone and welcome back to Phemics. Today we have a classic digit problem. We are looking for a two-digit number that satisfies two specific conditions involving the sum and product of its digits. First, let's represent our two-digit number algebraically. If x is the tens digit and y is the units digit, the number is written as 10x plus y. Condition 1 says the number is 7 times the sum of its digits. So 10x plus y equals 7 times the sum of x and y. Distributing the 7 gives us 7x plus 7y. On rearranging the terms 10x minus 7x and 7y minus y, we get 3x equals 6y. Dividing 3 gives us a key relationship x equals 2y. Now for condition 2, the number is 5 times the product of digits plus 2. Mathematically, it is represented as 10x plus y equals 5 times xy plus 2. Let's substitute x equals 2y into this. The left side becomes 20y plus y, which equals 21y. The right side becomes 5 times 2y into y plus 2, which is 10y square plus 2. Bringing everything to one side gives us the quadratic as 10y square minus 21y plus 2 equals 0. To solve, we split the middle term minus 21y. We need factors of 20 that adds to minus 21. Those are minus 20 and minus 1. Factoring by grouping leads to 10y minus 1 into y minus 2 equals 0. Equating each factor to 0, we get y equals 1 over 10 or y equals 2. Can a digit be a fraction? No. Digits must be whole numbers from 0 to 1. So we reject the fraction. So our units digit y equals 2. Now let's find the value of x. Remember x equals 2y. So x equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. So putting x as 4 and y as 2, we find our number as 42. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.